How do you shoot e-commerce video ads that convert? If you're running an e-commerce store, one of the toughest things to figure out is the video creative for a YouTube video ad. How do you create one of those video ads that goes viral, that gets a ton of conversions for very low cost per conversion? So there is a methodology behind it. There is a process behind it that you can use to shoot winning e-commerce video ads. So step number one is the research phase, right? Like, you want to research what the other ads in your niche look like. You want to understand what a really good e-commerce video ad looks like. And you want to basically just absorb as much information, take as many notes as possible, and get the raw material to inspire you to create your video ad. So step number one is you need to find the video ads in your niche that are doing the best. So this could be something like you go to your competitor's website and then get retargeted by them on YouTube and Facebook to see what kind of videos they're running. It could be you searching up your competitor's videos on YouTube. It could also be just basically, asking your friends if they've seen any cool video ads. Or here's a really good tip: look at late night infomercials. Those do really well. They're on TV, so they're basically in a very competitive environment. And often looking at late night infomercials can give you a really great idea of which video ad is working and which video ad isn't. And it also gives you a good idea of how to create persuasive video. Step number two is you want to look at the leaders in your industry. I would definitely say Harmon Brothers in the YouTube ad space in terms of creating videos. Those guys have awesome video ads. So for example, when we scripted a video ad for a client, which is currently getting something like a 2.5x ROAS, we took a look at Harmon Brothers video ads and came up with a script that was loosely based on their structure, and then we sent that to our video production agency. So you want to be looking at basically leaders in the industry. Purple Mattress is another one that's great for YouTube video ads. They have a ton of videos, and you can go onto their YouTube channel and see what their video ads are like. What we've usually found is a mix of humor, demonstrating the product in play, and a host, some sort of guide that basically is explaining what the product is about, how it's gonna help them is always useful. We've usually seen in a lot of these video ads that are really successful is there's one person who's kind of the host, who's guiding the story and explaining what the product is and showing it in action. And then there's another person which doesn't speak, but is kind of like the person that your audience will identify with, right? So I saw a video ad from Harmon Brothers about a barbecue. So there was a barbecue god, which was the guide character, which would help guide their basically this other person, which was just a normal everyday dad that didn't really speak. And then the user would imagine themselves in the place of the normal everyday guy who doesn't really speak, but you see him using this product day to day, right? So that's like an interesting dynamic that they have used, and definitely awesome stuff on their part. Like, they know their stuff. Now the second part is, now that you have this raw material, you have to script your e-commerce video ad. So actually, Drew, who is our copywriter and account manager, will actually show you how to script a video ad starting now.
So there's a specific script structure that we use for the type of ad that works best on YouTube, which is the skippable in-stream ad, which is basically the video, the pre-roll video that comes before the video you actually want to watch on YouTube, right? And allows you to skip it after 5 seconds. So in terms of scripting the video, you really need to grab their attention and hook them in within the first 4 seconds. And from there, you actually want to call out the keyword, or like, what's the reason, what's their intent for being on YouTube today? And then you have to disqualify them and then actually qualify your ideal customer. And that has to be done all within the first 30 seconds. The reason for this is because with the skippable in-stream ad format, you actually only get charged when either the viewer watches past 30 seconds or they click on the call to action. So by calling out your ideal customer and disqualifying the rest, you're maximizing the chances that you have your ideal customer watching the video while minimizing the cost or the ad spend for those that are not qualified to buy your product. And we normally like to deliver this within the first 25 seconds. So we had that 5-second buffer between 25 and 30 that allows the person to skip over. So from there, you actually get into the context of what you're gonna be talking about. You'll add some credibility in, your social proof, what are some of the benefits, an additional call to action, and then follow up again with the reason why they're on YouTube today and kind of help solve that problem or help pique their curiosity of why your product is the answer to their problem. So there are two main elements though you want to include in terms of the setting and the feeling of your video. One, it has to be entertaining, right? And people don't want to actually watch an ad, they want to be entertained. And if your ad is entertaining, they'll watch it. Two, they want to be informed. Why? What are they going to get out of this? What kind of value are they actually going to get of watching this and then actually taking action and buying your product? The goal of your ad should be to entertain and to inform the viewer. If you can include those two elements into your video along with the specific script structure that I just discussed, you should have a winning YouTube ad on your hands.
All right, hopefully that part was useful for you as well, right? Now the second part is finding a really good videographer or influencer or somebody who can make this video happen. Right? In a video production for an e-commerce company, there are oftentimes one or two actors, there's probably, camera crew, etc. So we found various ways of getting these video ads done. Number one is finding influencers on platform like FameBit. Especially if it's a video ad that just requires one person, something like FameBit is awesome because you can basically tell them, hey, this is what we're offering to create this video, and these influencers who are often on the broker side will do it for a few $100s. So that's one option, is go to famebit.com, give your script there, and people will shoot that video for you. Influencers will shoot that video, and on top of that, you can get them to promote it to their audience. Now, another option is finding a video production agency or a videographer who can also handle the production. So we actually have found a great video production agency we use that is anywhere from $1,500 to $2,500, and they actually shot the latest ad we scripted for a client, did a really great job. We've also reached out to other agencies that are higher end, that are around the $10,000 to $15,000 mark. So usually around the $1,500 to $2,500 mark, you can get a lower budget production that can still be pretty good, but it doesn't have that same production quality as, let's say, a much bigger video agency. This other big video agency we talked to, they're quoting $10,000 to $15,000, and their production was much better. Also, their general ability to source actors, their ability to make sure the video is just paced properly is generally a lot better. So those are a few options. You can go from the very low end, like getting one influencer to shoot your video ad for $300 to $500, to a low end video agency in the $1,500 to maybe $3,000 point, to higher end agencies in the $15,000 to $20,000 point. And then you can also go to an agency like Harmon Brothers, which will charge multiple times more than that, I believe in the hundreds of thousands, and that's like the best of the best if you really have the ability to spend money on that. However, what I would suggest is to get started with YouTube ads with the $3,000, $2,000 videos, and then start getting the bigger production videos when you already are having success. When you're already spending $100,000 a month on ads profitably, then you can justify spending $10,000, $20,000 on a really slick production. Now, once you found your video production agency, the third part is to actually give them really precise instructions. So you want to deliver the script in a storyboard form where it's very clear what exactly will happen, what will be said, etc. And usually they can give their feedback and you can work together with them on it. You also want to show them examples of other ads that you like and tell them what you like about it. Tell them that, hey, I like the pacing, I like the background music, etc. The second thing is you also want to be very, very clear in terms of the background and the setting. Ask them, hey, what is the setting you're thinking? Is it a professional setting? Potentially you might have to pay more for a different type of setting. So you want to make sure that's also controlled. Now, obviously, if this is your first time doing it, you may want your video production agency to take the lead on this. But in many cases, I find that marketers are better than video production agencies at figuring out which video ad will convert better, because a lot of production agencies are focused on branding and not on direct response. So don't be afraid to tell your video production agency, hey, this is what I want to do, or give them pushback in terms of what you think should be done. Now, some edits you might want to tell them to do is adding a countdown timer at the end of the video so people know that, hey, the video is going to end and they should click on the link. Having call to action arrows which basically point to the button to click on onto your landing page, right? And also you may want to add in captions, you may want to add in text in certain points to emphasize key points. You may even want to add in animations or graphics as needed, right? So you want to be making sure your video production agency is aware of that, and you want to really have a clear picture of what you want. Now, here's the thing. I know this whole process sounds intimidating. I would say, like, hey, once you go through it once, it's pretty easy. And don't worry, even if you've never shot a video in your life, I think you can do it, because we were able to do this, and none of us are have a videography background. We just know what video ads work and don't work. We gave those directions to the production agency, and we were able to get something that's working really well for our client. So hopefully that was useful for you. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you're interested in learning how to script video ads, we have a scripting guide in the link below or in the description. Check that out and let us know what you think of it, and hopefully it provides some value to you.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds.